Meet the red panda, the adorable fluffy creature that looks like a mix of a panda and a raccoon. But an unbelievable fact, its fur is naturally fire resistant. Their thick, oily fur acts like a natural armor, protecting it from burning sunlight, heat, and heavy rainfall. In freezing Himalayas, it keeps warm like a blanket. Yes, it's an Himalayan survivor. Another twist, despite its name, it's not related to giant panda at all. It's a unique species, one of its kind. Cute, clever, and naturally protected. It's nature's incredible survivor. Nature's fireproof wonder. Follow Fact Kingdom for more such facts. Like, subscribe, and share.